Welcome to the GraceLitRev web app. In this video, I will show you how to create a project and upload documents. Once you log in and you are on the dashboard, this is what you will see. When writing a paper, all your source documents in this app should be grouped into a project. These documents can be journal articles, book chapters, conference presentations, and more. Therefore, the first step is to create a project. There are two ways to create one. You can click the New button at the top right corner or in the middle of the dashboard. This area displays your available projects. To create a new one, click here and type your project's name. When you upload documents later, you will need to assign them to a specific project. As you can see, we have now created a new project. Next, let's upload some documents to the project we just created. Simply click here. You will see two options for uploading: a single file or a batch upload. Choose the single file option to upload one file at a time, or select batch upload to add multiple files simultaneously. The upload limits depend on your subscription package as they vary by plan. We accept two document types: PDFs and Reference Manager Export (RIS) files. I will create a separate video to explain how to work with RIS files. For now, I will demonstrate uploading PDFs. To upload files to the project I just created, I click here and select the project. Then, I navigate to the document's location on my computer, select the files I want to upload, and click Open. The documents will then be uploaded here. The upload time depends on factors like the file sizes and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, you will be taken to the Documents section, where all your uploaded documents will appear. You can filter them, for example, by project. You can then review the extracted data, such as the title, author details, year of publication, journal name, methodology, and country. Other variables are also extracted. To review these, click here and select Edit. You will see the various extracted variables. I will create a separate video on how to edit variables for each document.